Now, at first, we need to import wellhead data. Now we need to check the wellhead data is here. The training data. Wellhead. Here, wellheads. And in this file, the first column is name, second is surface X, third is surface Y, and fourth is KB and TD and the wheel symbol. And this, so this is the name. Okay, now here, at first we need to check change to home and insert folder. We need to insert new wheel folder. New wheel folder. Now here is new wheels, and but the wheels folder is empty now. And wheels right click, and import. Select import. Now we need to change the file type. File type we need to change to wellhead. File type we need to change to wellhead, and we need to print out our data. Print the data. Data is training data. Training data. Here is the same, I think. Here is the same, or training data. Training data wellhead. Now you need to select the wellhead file. Okay, now just open. Now in this interface we need to change match each column. The first column is name, second column is surface X, so we need to select surface X. The third is surface Y, we need to change to surface Y. The first is KB, we need to change to wheel data value. And the first is TD. TD is total depth, TDMD. And the last column is symbol. We need to select the wheel symbol. And the 7, 8, 9. And click the 7 column and press the shift and select multiple columns and delete these useless columns because our data are only 6 columns. So we need to delete here. Delete column is click. Now here we matched all the columns, and here the number of header line. The first line is header line, so we need to input 1. Here we need to create a definitive survey to TD. Select here. Just click OK or OK for all. Okay. Now we can see all these wheels are under the wheels folder. Select, tick this. You can see the wheels in the 3D window. Just change the background. Here, I need to introduce the this uh, this manipulate here. Left mouse. You can select the hand. It's turn around. Turn around. If you turn around and release, it's turn around and press the control and the left mouse is move and press control and shift and the left mouse is zoom in or zoom out, and you can use the middle mouse to the zoom in or zoom out. Okay, that's a manipulate of about the 3D window. Okay, now we need to save the project. Just click this save and select a place to save and give a name, training, or your name, or give your name or your student number is okay. Here I just use this the training project. Now let's take this here. We can get the file training pet and training ptd folder. These two is all your project content, and the log, you can delete the log file. Okay, now the second we need to import the value deviation. Just right click files and import here. Here we need to change the file type. We need to change to well path deviation, and select the well path folder, and Control and A to select all, and click open. And here is match file name and where. You need to check if the file name is same as the file where's, so it's matched. It's matched better. Just click OK. If somewhere is don't somewhere is not matched, you need to select the correct where. Okay, just click OK. And here we need to check the number column selection here. So the first column is MD here. It's X, Y, Z, and this is 9 is incline, and 8 is assume. That's okay. So you need to input 198. Just click OK for all. So the well path changed. And Steve. So here is the well path. Now we need to import the well log. Just here, right click, import, and file tab. We need to select the well logs. So our data are last format. You need to select the well logs last. last format, and open the vlogs folder and select all. Just click open. So here is the match files and files. You can match files use the file name or the last header or file name. You can use the file name because the file name are the same as the file's name. Just okay. Here we need to check. At first we need to check. Here it's important. It's important. We need to check match and specify or create new. We need at first we need to select the specify. Here is some node name and some property template recognized, and the under part is unmatched. Is unmatched. So we need to match is Sonic. Just Sonic. Select Sonic. Sorry, that's this template. Sonic or Sonic J10. J10. Here we must check this WOG. WOG. Here we must change the property template to storage because this is discrete. A types of discrete data. The storage. And the WG2 is the storage 2. And the WG new is the storage 2. Storage. Okay. So the VSH2 is for vShare. vShare. SW9. SW is water saturation. Water saturation. SW5 is water saturation too. Water saturation. And SW4 is water saturation too. All these SW are the water saturation template. And all these for new is process change the template process process And yeah, okay. So if you changed all the template, proper template, choose the correct template, you click OK. Don't click the OK for all. Just click OK. Here. Now, the second where you need to check again. Check again. Prompt. So the first where imported. So the second where we can't create new, just matched they exist. Now you can choose to match exist or knocks here. Then you can click OK for all. So the first will, you'd better change the correct template. Now we have imports all the logs here. It's AC and the gamma ray, permeability, and process, and water saturation, and ratio, and nisolage, WG, water, oil, gas. Now the next we can import the well tops data. And if we want to import a well tops folder of data, we need to insert a new well tops folder at first. Well tops. And right click and import and well tops. And we need to find out the well tops. Well tops for stratigraphic correlation. Just okay. Now we need to check. The first column is where. We need to change to where. Second is surface. Second column we need to change to surface. Third is MD. We need to change to MD. And the first is tab. The first is tab. We need to change to tab. Tab at the last. Now all the right are useless. 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 Yeah. Just delete. And here, the first line is header line. We need to import one. Click OK or OK for all. Here, you can check the data. The points are the well tops data. And the structure. Here is the structure of the structure. Select all. So that's the tops. And now we can import seismic data. Just you can just here the blanket area. Just right click, import, and change the file type. Seismic data. Change to seismic SIGY seismic data. And we need to find out seismic data. The seismic data here. Just use a default. Okay, for geometry. Okay, now here we can't see anything about the seismic data because our seismic data is different coordinate. We need to delete the 20. Delete the 20. Delete the 20. Okay. Okay. Now it changed. It changed here. Here we can active this orthographic camera. Active this, unactive, active, a different. Here, this manipulate, you can move the data. Just move the data. And you can use the players and the intersection player move. And active the inline to move. Okay, that's the data of the seismic data. Seismic data. Okay, so now the next we need to import the check shot data. Import just wheels here, right click, import, just choose the check shot format and select check shot. And here the first column is TVD, the second is MD, TWT, second is TWT, and third is wheels. Well, okay. Nah. Okay, 4. Okay. Okay, check the check shot data here. That's okay. Only one. Okay, I think that's the data or the data input. The data input.